Hello everyone. So today we are going to cover up 100 programs in Python programming language. These programs will help you a lot in developing the base for class 11th and 12th. And also if you are a beginner, it will help you a lot. So you can practice these programs. These type of programs are usually asked in the examination. So it will be better if you understand it carefully. I will share the link to this PDF and other documents in the description box. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So our first program is to display any message on the screen. Next program is to find the area of rectangle. So in this program we will take three variables. First is the length, second is breadth, and the third one is area. Input function is used to take input from the user. We will let the user to enter the length and breadth. We will take input from the user. Then we will apply the formula of area. Area is equal to length into breadth. Print function is used to display the value on the screen. Now we will display the value of area. Next program is to find the area of circle. So we have taken a variable that is r. We will let the user to enter the radius of circle. We will take input from the user and then we will apply the formula of area. Area of circle that is equal to 3.14 into r. Then we will display the value of area. Next program is to find the area of cuboid. So here we have taken length, breadth and height. We will let the user to enter the value of length, breadth and height, and then we will apply the formula area is equal to 2 into, and in the bracket we will write length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, and then we will display the value of area. So in this case the user has entered the length, that is 10, breadth 20, height 10, so the area will come out to be 1000. Similarly, you can try these programs to find the curved surface area of cylinder, to find the total surface area of cylinder, to calculate the curved surface area of cone, total surface area of right circular cone, total surface area of sphere, volume of cuboid. Write a program to calculate the volume of cube, volume of cylinder. So all the programs. So basically all the problems which we study in mathematics, we can apply the formula and then we can do those problems in Python. Next program is to calculate the greatest number, to find the largest number out of the three numbers. So we have entered three numbers, we have taken three numbers. Suppose we have taken A, B and C. We will let the user to enter the value of first number, second number and third number. We will apply the condition. We will use if else loop. So we will apply the condition if A is greater than B. Then we will again apply the condition if A is greater than C. So in this case, if A is greater than C, so the greatest number will be A. Else, the greatest number is C. Else, if B is greater than C, we will print the greatest number is B. Else, the greatest number is C. Next program, to find the perimeter of a triangle. So we know that the perimeter of triangle is equal to the sum of all the three sides of triangle. So we will let the user to enter the first side, second side and the third side. Then we will apply the formula perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. Then we will print the value of perimeter. Next question is to find the greatest number out of the four numbers. So you can do this question. This is exactly the same like the previous one. In next question, we are finding whether a person is a teenager or mature or experienced based on the value of the age. User will enter his or her age and then we will apply the condition. Next program is to calculate the sum of n numbers. So we will let the user to enter the limit, that how many numbers the user want to enter. Then we will take a variable that is s, sum. We have to calculate the sum, so we have taken a variable that is s. In the starting s is equal to 0, sum, the value of sum is equal to 0. Then we will use the range function for c in range. To find the area of a triangle, to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit, to calculate simple interest, to calculate the average temperature of week, to read a number and print n square, n cube and n raised to power 4, to take the value of x, y, z and calculate the equation, to input the height in centimeter and convert into foot and inches, to check whether the given year is leap year or not, to check whether the numbers are divisible by each other or not, to check whether a given number is a prime number or not, to perform arithmetic operation, to calculate the roots of a given quadratic equation, to input a digit and print it in words, to print first n odd numbers in descending order, to find the sum of n natural numbers, to find the sum of first n even numbers, to find the sum of first n odd numbers, to read the today's date from user and display how many days are left in the current month, to display the following pattern. This is also called pyramid.